In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. Now, to pick multiple ones right away, tap on Select All at the top right corner of chosen section. In my case, yesterday. So when I do that, I can see that all of my photos were successfully selected. If you want to delete them, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!